beautiful question. First of all, what you just described, referring to yourself as a master, that is the goal of every individual.
Yes, sir.
Self-mastery. Self-mastery. My goal should not be to master you.
That's right. Good teaching.
Your goal should not be to master me.
Right.
Yes, sir.
You see? It is just to master self.
Yes, sir.
Now, Master Rasul Muhammad, I believe that he's referred to as a master on one sense because in Arabic when we pray,
Yes, sir.
we say that Allah is Maliki Yawmuddin, which means he's master of the day of requital. Stop right there. We have earned our own destruction, brother.
Yes, sir.
We have earned our own demise. We have earned our own death. The Quran says that nothing befalls us other than what our own hand has wrought. So we need God to come as a master of the day of our consequence, of what we have already sent forth by our actions. You see? He is the master of our deliverance
Good teaching.
from evil.
Praise be to Allah.
That's why he's called Master Farad, which means obligatory.
Yes, sir.
He's the master that comes at the end of a satanic rule of time and the beginning, the early dawn of a new dispensation. He is the master. In Arabic, he is Rabbil Alameen,
Yes, sir.
which means that God is the Lord, governor, fosterer, cultivator of all the worlds.
Yes, sir.
He is Lord, governor of all the worlds because he's the master of the science of all things.
Yes, sir. Come on.
The good news is that he came to make us into himself.
That's right. Beautiful teaching.
So it's nothing wrong with you calling yourself a master if in fact you have mastered yourself.
That's the goal.